It's about 5 p.m. and we have an absolutely photogenic storm rolling into Harrisonburg, Virginia. This storm has very heavy rain, possibly some small hail. Look at this wall cloud on it as well, some very brief rotation in there. You could be seeing a severe thunderstorm warning in the next hour or two on this thunderstorm. This is going to be moving east into Harrisonburg, central Rockingham County, possibly towards McGaheysville and Elkton within the next hour, maybe 45 minutes. Y'all be safe out there, stay off the roads, get indoors when thunder roars.